Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you these humidifiers that we got from Trotec.
Open.
There. And we got these because basically our whole family does. Mommy have. I think most of us have asthma, and these humidifiers are meant to help with your breathing. And yeah,
If
and
you
we
have
got
black nose as well.
And we got 2 of them.
Well, the idea is that basically you two have been getting a lot of bad coughs from your asthma, and one of the things you were doing a lot at night was coughing at night. So we were going to get 2, one for your bedroom, one for your sister, because she's been coughing as well, haven't you, Dan? You've been coughing as well.
Yeah.
And because she's been coughing at night, they say the humidifiers help you. Daddy. They look like mommy too.
Daddy, I had medicine.
You had medicine, yeah. So we've got these humidifiers because they're meant to help to stop your throat and chest getting too dry, and they're meant to help with asthma and other breathing issues, so to help you sleep better. A reason why I considered getting them as well, because your mum mentioned when you were having a bad chest and that you were coughing a lot, they said our doctor said to go and sit in the bathroom, have the shower on, and let the steam circulate and move and breathe in there. So it's the same kind of thing. So we can keep it on at night. I did a lot of research. Yes.
Daddy, I've been going to the doctor, and I got medicine, and
For your chest.
and detected inhaler on his computer.
Oh yeah, he took the computer and he gave you an inhaler, didn't he?
Yeah.
Well, so you've been using inhalers in the space of brown and blue, but this is going to help. So let's get open because it's taken too long. You're going to let him open it.
Yeah, he's gonna.
Yeah, okay, so you get it open before you don't slice your fingers, please, because we're on lockdown. I don't want to be going to A&E. Just careful, just open your scissors like you would cut something normally. Don't try and slide it across. Slide it across. Get the other hand out of the way, please. If you're going to slide it across, just cut it with scissors. Just cut it. Don't slide it. Just cut it.
You sliding it? I'm gonna go work.
Yeah, that's the best way. Don't ever have any part of your body on the other side where you're sliding something sharp in case it goes right through your thing. So we're going to open it. This is a company called Trotec, a German company. It took quite a while to deliver. The delivery is quite a lot, but it's quite a reasonable price. And the company seems really good. It's a big kind of industrial company. Trotec, check out on the web where you can see what it's like. So we're going to very carefully take it out because they're not that cheap. These, very carefully take them out. Isn't it? Yeah, carefully. Help one another.
It's sliding.
Help one another.
You should.
Yeah.
Stop fighting, stop arguing. Yeah, I'll hold it.
Yeah, what's just happened?
I'll hold it down. Right, so we've got all the packaging's gone everywhere. We've got, just show everyone.
Some stuff inside.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
There's still.
Daddy, that looks like a toilet.
It's a European plug, I think.
Daddy, that looks like a toilet.
Yeah, that's our toilet. Yeah, that. So the first issue we've got is it's not the run-of-the-mill socket plug. Maybe I should have been aware of that. But we're gonna have to get some plug adapted. We've got one somewhere.
It's for the lamp.
Daddy.
Yeah, we can try at least.
Daddy.
Get some delicate stuff. Right, I think you're gonna have to sit here and I have to try this before you guys break the thing. Just be careful. So,
Daddy.
So, yeah.
The top bits are off.
Darling, we have to. Yes, darling.
Side bits off and the slidey bits off.
Yeah, darling, we have to get on, darling. Okay, so that's just the front part of it. It's got section mode, humidity timer, and on and off. I think it's touch.
Daddy.
It's like a touch screen there.
Daddy. Hey, what is that?
It's a humidifier. And then
Where should you put the humidifier? In the kitchen.
in the bedroom.
In the bedroom.
In the bedroom, yeah.
In Mummy's bedroom.
In the bedroom, yeah. So you just attach that on there.
Do not fill.
So
That's supposed to.
water tank.
Then this goes on top.
I didn't add you.
Yeah.
I didn't add you at all.
So that part's water tank. Hold it down there.
Make sure it doesn't slide off, because
Yeah, don't slide it off. What we can do, get the plug for the lamp. We can
It
quickly.
looks really cool.
There's something on it. There's something on it.
Look, there's different
There's
ones.
something on it.
Yeah.
I'll take it off.
Okay, thank you, Daddy.
There's something on. There's different things. There's
Different types you can get. Yeah. So we've got plug
yes, the adapter.
adapter. Just stole off your mum's lamp. Don't tell her.
Which lamp?
So we're gonna take this off here.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Tyler, Tyler, you can't come over here. You can come on the video.
Can't your face gonna go on the video.
Right. So let's get the instructions out.
There's like these
Instructions.
things on it.
This is something we bought with it, which is it's kind of a special thing you attach to prevent any bacteria getting into the water supply. It's like a filter. I can't remember the exact name, but we'll talk about it when you get to it. So
The coolest one is that one.
just a filter sticks,
Can you find
2 sticks there. So we've got all of these. One came with it actually. I didn't know that one came with it. I didn't even buy them then.
Look at this tower, Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not sure how that works actually.
This goes on top.
So yeah, that go in there. So let's just have a quick look. We've got a brush here as well.
Why is not Brush. that long?
That's tiny.
So let's have a quick look. Sorry. Hold on, the camera's there, darling, please. Careful. Just let go of that. Leave that alone, darling. So it's German company, so it's all in German, one bit. And then you've got the here.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that bit's I saw a bit in English.
No, this bit here. So ultrasonic technology ensures a pleasant room climate and air quality improvement. Thus, it quickly integrates scented oil tank and diffuser for optional room air aromatization. The on-demand ionization function promotes removal of harmful substances and odors from the room air. The device comes in automatic mode and night mode. Time can be set. Automatic switch off after 1 to 12 hours. Capacity of water tank run time up to 16 hours, which is really good. Device switches off automatically when the water tank is empty. Before transport, do the following: switch off device, hold empty water tank. Before we start the device, check the conditions of the power cable. We don't go to okay. Filling the water tank. So we've got to fill the water tank up.
Should we do that now?
Should we do it now, or should we just do another video?
Or do you want to cut the video?
Let's cut the video and then we'll do get it all set
We'll
up.
set it up and then we'll show you.
Yeah, show you and go from there. Yeah.
Yeah, see you later. See you in a bit.
Okay, so we've got water, filter water. We've got it plugged in. Yeah. And we're going to just got a filtration
Yeah, it's like sand.
system. No, it's hand. It's got something there. And we're just going to add the water. Okay, so we're going to add the water to the measure up here.
See?
So just going to add water. Tell when to stop. Hardy, tell us when to stop. You want to tell us when to stop?
Wait, when?
Here, there's the measure here.
Oh, it's just down there.
Wait, how many?
Look,
Well,
you can
up
see
to
it
here.
down there.
Oh, okay.
You need to go all the way there.
If we can, if we don't have enough water, then just look.
Does it have to be filtered?
Well, ideally filtered. I think you
Yes,
boiled.
water level.
With water level going?
Yeah.
Just,
We're not even near to the top.
just leave it at that then.
Yeah.
Why don't we just leave it for a little bit?
No, I want nothing more.
Well, I'll tell you what we'll do. I'll fill it up the thing again.
Yeah.
Do one for it.
Shall we just talk about it first?
No,
So,
No.
there's another thing we bought that actually came with it, but we also bought is this here. Well, let's run through. This is a what is in the instructions? Where's the instructions?
on that
Okay,
side.
right.
So we've
So
got
we've
this,
got,
this thing.
It's
Called Haltereins or Wasserein.
So German's not very good. So you're going to. We've got all these different instructions here, and we've also got. Oh, here it said. Yeah, insert Seiko-san stick optic surgery into water tank. It's meant to be a way of disinfecting the water or doing something like that. I'm not sure, but this is it. So basically, let's get open. Do you want to open it? Open it. It'll take 10 years because everyone's going to get bored and tired of hanging around while we're getting things out. Yeah. So yeah, got it.
We got it.
Yeah. Let me get it.
Okay.
Okay. So that's. You just
Oh, that's a string. It looks like stickers. Are they stickers?
that?
That's interesting.
Just open that. You open that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no, when there's tying, I can't do tying. Can't.
Right. You want to tie? Oh, we don't need to do that. We can just fish it. I'm sure you can just. That's just for a bottle like that, but it's just like a string thing you've got.
What do you mean for a bottle? What's like a bottle?
Smaller bottles, still like smaller bottles. This would be really straightforward. So we're doing a video. You can't start having a tantrum now, please. Huh? No tantrums now. You can't get up on the.
Was it like a tea bag?
What you do is you just mark on when it's going to when you actually did it, and 6 months from here, that's when you need to change it. So we could do that, but.
Well, why did it go 2001? And like it's gonna be the
2020,
year.
yeah.
Or 2020.
Do we need to do that?
What's up,
Nah.
But
Actually, yeah.
What's it?
well, we're in April now, aren't we? So April. 6 months from today.
What's that for?
Come, let her come and stand up on that. This is just a cleaning, a sterilisation kind of stick thing. So let me just quickly get that out. We've got some more water now, so we can pour it up more. So let's just pop that. You just drop that in there. So you got it this way around.
You just drop it. Daddy, can...
Hold that. You put it in here. You put it in here.
Okay. Why
Oh,
is it
don't get
always
places.
mommy today?
Put it in there. Drop it in. Yeah, there you go. So that basically.
Oh, that landed perfectly.
I think this lands like that's weighed. So that's in there now. You stand there. Stand there.
Put more water.
I know we pour more water in. So just have a look. Level, you can tell that level.
Okay.
I can't see the water.
You can see the water going.
Yes, I can see the water.
This there.
Look, it's floating.
There they're going. Lots of water.
Yeah,
Lots
there.
of water.
That'll do. Will that do? That's over half, isn't it?
Yeah, it's over half.
That's over half. It's over half.
Sorry.
Wait,
Tonight.
are we doing it tonight?
Yeah, probably. So this is the water inlet. It's very cleverly told you where to put the water, so you don't end up putting it in there or somewhere crazy off on the top.
And it said, I think there was a sign saying don't put the water.
Yeah, don't put water, which is quite good. So you just turn that on. Yeah, is that right? I hope so, because I don't want it all pour out. So then we're going to okay, Dad? Yeah. So we're going to put it on. So we've got it all ready, the water in, the filter in. This is the bit, I got water gushes everywhere. Let's get this off in case.
Didn't you just turn it over to...
Dad, there's a hole there, isn't there?
No, it's not. It
is that not
goes through it. It's the system. So the water level
It's
is...
dripping
Where?
from that hole, from there.
It's leaking.
Okay.
I think it's meant to come from there, maybe. It looks like it's meant to come from there.
Oh, is it meant to be dripping like that?
Hey, look.
Wait, why not?
Look the mess.
So the water's dripping out as we've turned it upside down. Let me just have a look here again.
No, these sound like a different.
Right, so...
Do you put anything... Oh, you...
Daddy, I found your car keys. I found your car keys.
Yeah. So... Oh, it might run to the bottom of the device. Please note that insert the water tank. The water is running from the bottom of the device. Refill. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's meant to.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So it wasn't meant to do that. So let's. So this is the back of it. We're gonna just quickly.
Oh, that's skill.
Not so sure about that.
More water coming.
Right. Can you hear that? Make fine. They're just right out there. Is the water level dropping down?
Yeah, definitely. 'Cause it was above there first.
Okay, so now
Why is it not
you can press on. On. Is it? Oh, do you see that?
Oh,
That looks
That's-
so cool.
Let's start the work. So what we've got
that
is
makes you dizzy.
44% humidity. See? So it's getting the humidity level up. This apparently it's going up. Keep on that. Keep down so you can see.
That's so
Okay,
cool.
so it's starting to do its stuff.
We can put more water in after.
Okay, so it started to work straight away. So what we need to do is one thing we need to do. We want to get the ionization on. Ionization. Ionizations. This device releases ions for additional air purification. The released ions remove pollen, dust, and viruses and bacteria from the air, which is good. It can be switched on in any operating mode. Press timer button. Approximately 5 seconds. Timer button. Come on, press timer button. 5 seconds. Press timer button. 5 seconds. Hold it down. Hold it down.
Daddy.
Please. Aha! There you go. That's come on. Brilliant.
Oh, is it bigger? I'm not sure.
No, what any difference?
Onion.
And look,
Onion.
there's smoke coming
It's German
out.
probably. So yes, steam.
Sorry, it's fine, it's fine.
It's fine done. It's meant to. And the night mode. Night mode. Okay, how do you set the night mode?
I don't
It's
touch
cold. It's cold.
Yeah, so
Because cold water went in, isn't it?
Imagine if it was warm.
automatic night mode.
Hot water.
Okay, night mode. Sleep indication 0.22. So press mode.
That says intelligent
Press again.
mode.
Sleep mode. There you go. We're in business. So this can go in your bedroom tonight, and we're going to see what it's like. Go back a bit.
Smoke screen.
So we've got it going. Got it
Yeah.
working.
Wait,
It
what
works.
difference does it make in sleeping and you're
I
awake?
think it does it less. I'm not sure.
Oh, let's put that thing on.
Oh.
Nothing to do. There.
Oh.
Put more water in the machine.
I don't think we'll finish. It's meant to go for.
That looks mad.
No, as in when we finish the video.
So should we? We're going to put more water in. We'll give you. Yeah, it seems to work pretty good. Really nice, really fancy. Typical German, brilliant German engineering. Leave it this mode, nighttime mode. It's working pretty good. That there is some other issues you can do Please don't mess too much because we're just. There's another thing. A nebulizer intensity can be set in all operating modes. The default setting is 3. It can be set at 6. Press arrow buttons. So let's go up. What? It's just gone off. Did someone just turn it? You just.
It's still on though. Oh, it's on, but it just doesn't.
So it turns 6. So that's what we want.
Is that it does more?
I don't know.
Because it looks like it's coming out way
Nebulizer
more.
settings. This helps with your breathing. So we're going to put in your bedrooms tonight. See what happens. I'm going to listen. Okay. If this is going in your bedrooms, listen. It's really important. Really important. If you're going to listen.
Yeah.
You mustn't mess with this because it's not cheap. I'm going to put a link in the description for how much it cost. I can't remember how much it was, but we've got 2 of them. One for our
it good
bedroom
for the
and one
price?
for your, yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely good for the
brilliant.
price.
It looks amazing.
Sleep mode. I mean,
Slick. It's very fancy, nice, easy to use, modern looking. It looks really brilliant. Looks in business.
Well, let's see from how
Very
much
easy
we've
to
been
use.
putting on. Let's see how much water it's taken.
yeah.
Can't really tell. Oh, it's there. It's kind of the same actually.
Well, what we're going to do, I'm going to switch it off and then we're going to put some more water in.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Okay,
Yeah.
shall we?
So,
Yeah.
yeah. So what you reckon? Would we do
Yeah.
a feedback review as well, maybe?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
Good.
I like it.
Brilliant. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yes.
The only good thing is my nose is not blocked tomorrow, and then it's good. If it isn't,
Have you guys been coughing at night recently?
Not really.
no, but my nose has been
Can I
blocked.
feel
at night.
this?
Yeah, come on, you feel it.
It's a bit hard.
No, it's just air. It's water. Just water. Put your hand over. Put your hand over here. Like hand flat.
It's a bit cold.
Is it cold? Is it a bit cold?
It's a bit
Is it cold? Yeah, it's cold, cool. Is it nice and cool?
It's cool.
That's good. Okay, so I think it looks great. Just see if it works.
Yeah.
There's like water on the inside.
Yeah. So yeah, I think it's worth it.
Yeah.
I think it's brilliant.
Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Peace out.
Bye bye.
Bye.